Hello, my name is Emilie. I'm a nail artist and the founder of Gelcare. Today, I'm going to teach you how to achieve a realistic quartz effect. To master this artwork, you will need translucent colors, and this is one of the reasons why we created jelly colors at Gelcare. To produce the natural sediment lines in a quartz stone, you will need to use French Alps, our opaque white, and coconut milk, our translucent white. For the demonstration of our technique, we are using rose water, but you can also use jet ski or lavender water to create quartz stones in different colors following the same steps. The first step is to apply rose water in irregular blocks on each nails. The block should be different from one nail to the next. From nail to nail, you should switch from focusing the color on the tip of your nails to camouflage the free edge and focusing the color around the cuticles to define the nail contour. Once you're happy with this step, cure your artwork for 30 seconds. Once polymerized, use your dotting tool to create an irregular line of French Alps following the edge of the rose water blocks. Notice that the irregularity of the line creates an organic look, mimicking what you would see in a natural stone. Do not cure and wet your brush with a little bit of alcohol and remove the excessive alcohol using a Gelcare touch-up pad to avoid diluting the line of French Alps too much. Drag the edge of the French Alp line into the rose water block. This layering step is key to creating depth in your stone by adding opacity to certain areas. Observe the technique more closely here. Notice that you can use a liner brush or dotting tool, whatever you prefer, to create the irregular line. In addition, observe the very light hand used to spread out the line with the alcohol-soaked brush. Please note, it is very key that the excess of alcohol is removed from the brush. Too much alcohol will result in the line disappearing completely. Once again, once you're happy with the results, cure for 30 seconds. Repeat this step of layering and diluting a second line of French Alps. This line can be parallel or cross over the first line. It is important that the line placement is somewhat random from nail to nail to give the stone a natural appearance. On each nail, create 2 to 3 diluted lines. Between the lines of sediment, apply 1 coat of either coconut milk or rose water. Here we show the application of coconut milk, which will result in a lighter colored quartz. If you use rose water at this step, your final result will be more pink hued. This coat of gel blends the appearance of your artwork. Cure this coat for 30 seconds as usual. On 1 to 2 nails on each hand, add a third diluted line of French Alps. To keep an airy look, avoid using too many lines. The most common mistake is to create the same X pattern on each nail. Once again, once you're happy with the result, cure for 30 seconds. For the final step in the design, apply a coat of rose water. At this moment, you will see your artistic work take shape. The top coat is always the most satisfying part for a nail artist. It levels out the layers of your artwork and enhances the design with a glossy finish. Cure for 2 cycles of 90 seconds for the maximum shine. You got it now, our Gelcare technique for the best version we could develop of a quartz mani using our jelly colors. Please tag us at gelcare.official so we can notice, like, and share your artwork.